Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on your Pinterest app on your device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if I open up Pinterest, you better see what size my font is set to. So you can have a quick look here. And if I want to make this any bigger or make this larger, what I need to do is head back, and now I need to head into the settings app on my mobile device. Now from here, you'll be taken to your settings. Once you're inside settings, scroll down and look for display, kind of near the top. Inside display, scroll down again, and then we've got font size and style. So we need to tap into that. And you'll see a slider at the bottom where it says font size. So if we move that left to right, you can see the font size will change in size to go smaller on the left or larger on the right. So if I go ahead and set it on one of the larger settings like this, and then head back into Pinterest, my Pinterest font size will be changed to that font size.